Hey, we're checking out 26 Syringa Drive behind me. We're in Garden Valley, Idaho, this specific community of Terrace Lakes. This is on 1 acre in the forest. You have a dirt road kind of heading up here. It's easy to drive on, but it's not asphalt. Lots of plants around. Tri-story home, 2,200 square feet, 4 bedrooms. Nice wraparound deck. We'll check that out first. Just got a single garage downstairs. The stairs are in great condition as you walk up. The deck is stained and in good condition as well as the house. Nice big windows there to let a lot of light in, and also your view of the forest with some old growth pine trees here. So this part of the deck is open, giving you the nice view, and then you've got this side deck that overlooks these trees, and you can hear the stream down there. So little spacious area out here. These are great to keep bugs out of the house, these magnetic nets. So has the pine accent on the ceiling, which is great. These big windows let in a lot of natural light. Little cove here for studying or maybe breakfast. It feels really open with that tall ceiling and that open area above, and these stairs, how you can see through them. The floor in here is excellent condition. So you've got granite countertops, pine cabinetry, and then on this middle floor you've got the washing machine, laundry room, big deep garden tub here, and a full bath on the main floor with 2 bedrooms. And I'll just go downstairs real quick. So you've got a separate locking area here to the garage. This is your single car garage. Has a little bit of space. It follows the shape of the house out to a peak there. So it's not just flat. You can put some more stuff over there, but still just a 1 vehicle garage. Your hot water heater under here. Tile floors downstairs. That's good if you come in with mud or wet feet. And then full bath downstairs. This could be an Airbnb separate to help generate some income. And it's got its own kitchen. Daylight window, electric oven there, and then kind of a combined living room, bedroom here. So totally could rent this out by the month, or great Airbnb in this area. I'd probably rent for about $80 a night. You're about 5 minutes from the Terrace Lakes Resort hot springs and 18-hole golf course. This is the lower level to the deck, which if you're renting that unit out would be available just for the people downstairs. So I'm gonna run back around this way. So back upstairs, this is your mid-floor entry, lots of parking. Let's check out the large master bedroom upstairs. It feels so grand in here, this 3-story ceiling. And I like the pine paneling. Really makes it feel like a cabin. And then these internal pine beams and the door jambs. So this is an extra large room, probably 20 by 18. And they've set it up with a bunk bed in the closet, but this is a large closet, almost a small bedroom. And then another bathroom with a jetted tub. So that's 2 jetted tubs. This would make a great vacation rental or just your summer cabin, but definitely could generate some income when you're not here. So thanks for taking the tour. Let me know what you think.